And Suge was fucking Puff's baby mama. And Pac was fucking her best friend.
Who her best friend? Who was the best friend?
Who still is her best friend?
Oh, I don't know if it's Southern Ray. I'm trying to get you to say it.
I know. But
Would
she's
this
in.
lady
Look,
happen to be? Would she happen to be a singer who just was successful for the
absolutely.
last 4 decades?
Absolutely.
And would this singer
Absolutely.
happen to have an album titled "My Life"?
Absolutely. You got it.